Hey guys, what's going on today? In this video, I want to share with you guys as to why and how you can fix that negative balance on your buying power if this ever happens to you. It happened to me last week, but in my case, I wasn't as worried because my margin requirement to have that buying power was well above the balance. Now, it can happen to you because maybe your balance fell below that margin requirement that you have to maintain in your account in order to have that extra buying power. Now, if that happens to you because of that, that means you have to deposit more money, sell off some of your stock, and if you don't and you're still in the negative, most likely you're going to get a margins call, and then Robinhood may sell off some of your stock for you on the market price, and that's basically one thing you want to avoid because you can end up losing a lot more money. Now, in my case, I went negative because of the high volatility of the stock that I bought. Now, a high volatility stock is basically a stock with a strong price movement, a big spread. So if you ever notice and you try to buy into a high volatility stock, the amount of buying power that you can use will decrease, So if you buy into the stock and the price of the stock goes down, so does the buying power, and that's what caused it to go negative. Now, I was not required to sell because I wasn't too worried. I was well above my margin requirement that I needed to have that buying power. So all it meant for me was that I couldn't use any more buying power, and if I wanted to buy another stock, I would have to deposit more money or sell off some of some other stock. So I wasn't as worried, basically. I was not even worried about it, to be honest, because the stock that I was investing in is a high volatility stock, yes. However, I know the risk, I know what I'm getting myself into, and this stock has been trending up, and then, it's a risk I was willing to take. Now, if it plummeted down to zero, which, I've never seen a stock plummet down to zero in a matter of minutes, then I would lose a lot of money. Now, if it's trending down, then yes, I would get out of the stock and then, buy it back later. And that would be the easy fix, basically, just get out of the stock. Now, I ended up selling some shares. I'll show you the stock actually right now. It's actually WATT, W-A-T-T. And I've been swing trading it for a while. As you can see right now, I have 200 shares, but I had 400 shares. I ended up selling 200 because I took the profits, but I intend to get back in it again. So if I go on the negative again, all it means, it's just I'm not able to use any more buying power. And then if it starts to trend down, then I'm just going to get out of the stock. So for me, that's all it meant. I couldn't use any more buying power. So for you, it might mean, that you do have to deposit the money before you get that margins call. And I wanted to share this video anyway with you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below. If you guys have any ideas for future videos, also, leave a comment down below. Hopefully this video helps out some of the new investors if they ever, come across an issue like this. And in all the videos, I try to explain everything as best as I can in plain English. So hopefully it helps out somebody if they ever stumble across something like this, okay? So I'll see you guys on the next video.